Hi guys, in this video we will see 8 hidden settings of your Facebook account. If you are using Facebook, then you must check these settings. How to add anyone or someone to your close friend list of your Facebook app on your iPhone, Android or any other Windows PC. Open Facebook app on your system. We will see in how to add someone to close friend list on your iPhone. Go to your profile icon from the top bottom right corner and here go to friends, tap on friends, open friends profile which you want to add under close friend list, and here you will find this is your friends, and tap on friends and four options available: unfriend, take a break, unfollow, edit friend list. Tap on edit friend list and here you will find the option close friends, restricted, acquaintances. So tap on close friend, tap on done, and this friend is successfully added to my close friend list. If you want to remove anyone from close friend list, same process, uncheck the feature close friends and tap on done of your iPhone on your any other device. How to enable Facebook login alerts on your Facebook app. Launch your Facebook app on your device, iPhone or any other device. Here go to 3 horizontal line against top left corner and here tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Here again tap on settings. Here under account center, scroll under account center, tap on see more in account center or password and security. Here scroll down and you will find the option password and security. Tap on it. Here you will find the option login alerts. Tap on it. Tap on login alerts, and if you have already, here choose your accounts, and if you have already enabled in your Facebook app two-factor and authentication, then login alerts always on you will receive. So if you want to turn off login alerts, disable two-factor authentication first, otherwise it is also enabled. How to set a time limit for your Facebook uses. If you want to set a time limit, day limit or night limit on your Facebook app on your iPhone or Android, here are the process. Open Facebook app on your device, iPhone or any other device. Go to your profile icon and here tap on 3 horizontal line against top left corner. Tap on it. Here scroll down and look for privacy, settings and privacy. Tap on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option your time on Facebook. Tap on your time on Facebook settings. Here your time on Facebook page is available and various type of tools available. See your time. Tap on it and you can see average time you spent per day using Facebook in the past 7 days. You will see a time you have spent on your Facebook app. You will see activity log also available. So you can easily change a daytime versus nighttime. Algorithm also available here. How much time you have spent in day and night. So this is the second tool, daytime and nighttime. Go back and here manage your time. Tap on it. Sleep mode off. Tap on sleep mode. Enable the features, mute notifications and get a reminder to stop using Facebook during certain hours. Enable this feature, turn the toggle button on, and you can set a time limit, a start time, end time, and also you can choose days. If you want to change it, simply tap on the time, start time and end time, and tap on save. For example, go back, and some other feature. If you want to turn off day limit, you can also set a daily limit. We will remind you to close Facebook when you spend this amount of time in a day. We will also let you know when you are close to reaching the limit. So choose a time limit, daily time limit. After that, you will receive a reminder. Tap on save. If you cross this daily limit, then Facebook will remind you to close your Facebook app. If you want to turn off sleep mode, simply turn off daily limit as well as sleep mode. How to log out from all other devices on your Facebook account. If you have logged out multiple devices, then you can easily log out from all devices on one time. Open Facebook app on your device, either iPhone or any other Android or PC. Go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner, and here tap on 3 horizontal line against top left corner. Here scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. Here you will find scroll down and go to under account center, see more on account center, and here tap on password and security. Tap on it. Here you will find the option where you are logged in. Tap on it, and you can see here various type of devices. If account login activity, various type of all your login activity in other devices will visible here. Select devices to log out. Tap on it, and here select devices, select all devices, otherwise select single devices. You can also choose select all and tap on logout. You will successfully log out for all other devices which have been logged in on your Facebook account. Are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Tap on logout. So select your device, either single or multiple devices, and choose logout to log out from all your Facebook account devices. How to make your Facebook friend list private. How to hide your Facebook friend list from public. Open Facebook app on your iPhone or any other device. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner, and here tap on 3 horizontal line against top left corner. Tap on it, and here scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. Here you will find a list of tools. Here go to audience and visibility section, and here tap on how people find and contact you. Tap on it. Here you will find who can see your friend list, public, friends except specific friends, only me. Tap on only me if you want to hide from public. Tap on only me, who can see your friend list. You can only see your friend list. Now, how to hide your Facebook post on your iPhone or any other device. You can easily hide any particular Facebook post. Launch Facebook app on your device, either iPhone or Android or Windows PC. Here go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner, and here tap on scroll down and go to your post which you want to hide. Tap on 3 horizontal dot against post, and here you will find edit privacy. Tap on it and you can see who can see your post: public, friends, exceptions, specific friends, only me. So here choose only me. After setting only me, tap on save. Your Facebook post is only me settings. If you want to unhide, then choose public. How to see when you joined Facebook account creation date, how to find it. Here are the process. Launch your Facebook app and here go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner and tap on 3 horizontal line against top left corner, and here scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Tap on it and here tap on settings. Here go to account center, see more in account center, and here scroll down and you will find the option your information and permissions. Tap on it. Here access your information. Tap on it and here access your information. Your information includes some of the things you have shared. Your Facebook account information. To view and manage your Facebook account information, you can go to activity log, Facebook settings, privacy settings, export your information in account center, other account information to access information to other types of accounts. Various type of features available here. You can easily go through these settings. So we will go through Facebook settings. Tap on Facebook settings. Here scroll down and go to audience and visibility section and tap on profile details. Here scroll down and you will find here the date, which creation date. Facebook is showing information to help people understanding the purpose of your profile. You would not be able to edit what is shown here. Account creation date, you will find here this profile is not running ads and some other features also available here. How to control who can send you a friend request on your Facebook app. Go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner and in Windows PC from the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. Thereafter tap on 3 horizontal line against top left corner. Tap on it. Here scroll down and choose privacy and settings and privacy. Tap on it. Thereafter here choose settings again. Tap on settings and here scroll down and go to the audience and visibility section and here tap on how people find and contact you. Tap on it. Here you will find two options: who can send you friend requests, who can see your friend list. Tap on who can send you friend requests and here you will find two options: everyone and friends of friends. Choose as per your requirement. If you choose friends of friends, you have limited friend request you will receive, and if you want to publicly available you, then choose everyone. Otherwise choose friends of friends and tap on save. Only friends of friends can send you a friend request on your Facebook account. Who can see your friend list, also tap here, and here also option available: public, friends, friend, accepts, specific friends, only me. If you want to control your who can see your friend list, tap on only me. Otherwise choose public. That's all.